Step on them, Fusion, crush them like a roach. We don't like them filthy approach. Booyah! Sound boy, take that. Jah Bukie representing for the champion sound, Fusion. Big up yourself, massive from town. Large up yourself, golden voice in the studio, big up. Ha. Murderation sound boy. Oh yeah, come on now. Step on them, Fusion. Step on them. You come to step on them. Fusion step, you need to step on them. Because them are digging a corruption like a pig in a pen. Filthy living, Fusion and chat to them. Just step, you need to step on them. Fusion step, you need to step on them. Because them are digging a corruption like a pig in a pen. Filthy living, stam and chat to them. Them will reveal them secret and chat about them bad. Anything is bad, is rotten and decay. All them piss and trash, we come to throw them away. Hey, throw them away. That Fusion say, hey, throw them in the garbage truck. Yes, throw them in the garbage truck. Yes, call Mr. Mushat, let him come clean them up. And them piece of waste, we need to clean up. And step, you need to step on them. And Fusion step, you need to step on them. Because them are digging a corruption like a pig in a pen. Filthy living, come and not chat to them. And step, you need to step on them. Fusion step, you need to step on them. Because them are digging a corruption like a pig in a pen. Filthy living, now we not chat to them. Them are cheaters, call themselves readers, deceivers and misleaders. From the cookie jar, we see them stealing. And got the children down here suffering. Spunking, Fusion give them a spunking. You all of them in the house, I'm talking. Don't sympathize if you burn them skin. Don't sympathize if you burn them skin. I said, you need to step on them. Fusion, stop, you need to step on them. Because them are digging a corruption like a pig in a pen. Filthy living, now we not chat to them. I said, step, you need to step on them. Fusion, step, you need to step on them. Because them are digging a corruption like a pig in a pen. Filthy living, now we not chat to them. Them a reveal them secret and chat about them bad. But anything is bad, is rotten and decay. All them piece of trash, we come to throw them away. Hey, throw them away. And that Fusion say, hey, throw them in the garbage truck. Yes, throw them in the garbage truck. Yes, call Mr. Mushat, let him come clean them up. All them piece of waste, we need to clean up. I said, step, you need to step on them. Fusion step, you need to step on them. Because them are digging a corruption like a pig in a pen. Filthy living, now we not chat to them. I said, step, you need to step on them. Fusion step, you need to step on them. Because them are digging a corruption like a pig in a pen. Filthy living, stam and not chat to them. No step to the roads, them. Burn them. Yeah, man, Jah Bukie representing.